This is a 2006 Toyota Sienna, and the glove box won't stay closed. So this is the replacement part that I got off Amazon.com. So to replace this, it's just removing these two screws. The two screws removed, we can just take this out. Just pop out. So this is probably why it wasn't latching. It looks like a couple pieces of plastic broke off. So this is the original one, and this is the replacement. So to transfer this lock into the new one, I have to take this cover off. So I'm just gonna use a pocket knife, stick it in here, then pop it off. And then once that little plastic piece pops out, you can remove it. So just like that. And this just pops out. And then I'm gonna do the same with the new one. So just pop it in there. And it should just pop out. Like that. Real quick, so this is the new latch assembly. This is the old one. So you can see this is the part where it broke off, right there. All right, so I'm just gonna install the original latch cover onto the new latch assembly. So just put this plastic dimple through here, and then just push this in. There we go. That's it. All right, so to install it, just insert the latch and then put back these two screws and you're set to go. Test it out. So we just close it and it's latching. All right, that's it.